What bird is mystically believed to deliver babies?
Hummingbird.
No, it's also a
Dove.
It starts with S. Should we skip it?
Scuba.
Should we skip it?
Yeah.
Stork. What kind of animal is a tarantula? Should we skip it?
Yeah.
Tarantula, yes. Should we
What kind of animal is? Yes, keep.
It's a spider. What is the appropriate word for a spider's nest?
Web.
Yes, or cobweb. Name an animal that is active only at night.
Bat.
Bat is correct. What is the basic building block of all living things?
Brain.
Not the brain.
Central
Heart.
nervous system.
No. It's also the unit of life.
Excel.
Cell is correct.
Can I put this anywhere?
Yes, anywhere. It's fine.
I don't know how they play it.
What is needed for plants to make food?
Water.
Photosynthesis. Okay.
Okay, I'll give you water, yeah.
She has one.
She has one, yes.